Alright, today I want to talk about a tool that we commonly overlook, and that's plug-in presets. Presets, they're there for a reason, and they can really help you out. So yeah, we're going to jump into a session that I've worked on. I'm actually finished with it. We're waiting on the release. It's going to be a song by Noah Lynch, and I'm going to show you the difference between just the raw tracks and then the full song after I put one plug in and use their factory presets, and we'll see how big of a difference it actually makes. I'm gonna let you listen to the song without any effects. The only thing I have on this mix is I left my my tune on the vocals. So I got the waves tune on my vocals, but other than that, there is no compression, no EQ, no delay. It's just raw tracks. So. Met you, baby. I thank God for bringing you to me. No matter what comes my way, I know that you are always here beside me. Alright, so there's your example of the raw, which I feel pretty good about the recording. So they're good sounding tracks regardless. So I'm going to start out, I'm going to show you a demonstration of my solo the kick, and I'll show you the raw kick. There it is. As soon as I turn it on. Bass, low. So. Alright, so I'll go up here, and we're going to add the SSL channel. And this channel has both, or this plugin has both compression and EQ on it. So we'll go over here. We'll go to the factory presets. We'll do drums and kick drum. All right, so this is the SS channel with the kick drum preset. And that is it. I haven't adjusted anything myself. This is 100% the preset. And here's without and with. Alright, and I'm going to do this for every channel in the mix. So on drums, I'm going to do the preset based on which drum, and then I'll do bass presets, vocal presets, guitar presets, so forth. And I'm going to do it all with that same plugin, the SSL, and we'll see what it sounds like. Got all the presets on now, and start seeing what it sounds like. Met you, baby. I thank God for bringing you to me. No matter what comes my way, I know that you are always here beside me.
and I hope you know that I thank God for you. That I do it all for you. I will check.
Now, obviously, it's not a finished product, but it's way closer than it was when we started, and that just shows. And that's with one plug-in and just setting it to the presets that for each, that correlate with the track. So yeah, don't ignore presets. Presets can be your best friend, especially if you're just starting out.
Met you, baby. I thank God for bringing you to me. No matter what comes my way, I know that you are always here beside me. Met you, baby. I thank God for bringing you to me. No matter what comes my way, I know that you are always here beside me.
That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
That I thank God for you.